on?
That AM thing.
This is Corporal Sharp. Sergeant Serta. Carlos Almeida. Scarface. Shaky Jake himself. What the inside of the truck looks like. Sucks. Nope. It's an M16 with a 2-8 launcher.
Excellent.
You guys got music on over there?
Yeah.
Mexicana music?
It's Mexicana. We got some fucking freaking.
Lazy bastard all the way there.
That's right. That's right. If I don't set the example, who will? You know? Gotta take a little nap. They got tanks around us. We'll live.
Probably.
Yeah. If we get shot at, I'm sorry.
I would like to see a boom.
You should go over there and record the old crapper. See it?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the crapper right there.
You got a picture. What up, bitches? Corporal Fails.
Hi, Mom.
Corporal Nacito. Don. Right here. Stilling. Going on, Boucher up and going. So, how do you feel about getting out of the Marine Corps as soon as you get back from this war?
Can't wait.
Why's it gonna be great?
Okay, let's just look, just take a little camera and spin it around real quick. And then you'll see.
I don't understand. What would be better than a sandy beach? Sandy beach. So, Phil, how old are you? You were divorced, right? You live by yourself, right? Eat line beans for breakfast.
Just part-time, okay? I had part-time. Day classes.
Married, divorced, alcoholic, recovered, fucking
Fighting the war.
went to war, gonna become a teacher and a football coach, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're the driver of this truck? Yeah. Alright. Hey, like them tanks getting filled up, huh? Pretty sweet, right? Tell me something about yourself.
About 5'11", 210 pounds. Got brown hair, blue eyes. I like long walks to the beach, romantic dinners, trampolines, bowl baths, and
Nice.
flowers.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Good talking to you. Tell me something about yourself. Italian.
Women love me.
The big sausage, huh?
Oh, I got the big sausage.
That's gross. Why you gotta say foul things?
Why are you zooming into my sausage?
My mom's gonna see this, you know.